Today I am going to make an Avurudu recipe. You can see all of my previous Avurudu recipes in the Avurudu recipe playlist in my channel. Also you can see all of those recipe photos in Daily Life .lk site. This time our first Avurudu recipe is Kiri Aluwa. Last year I made Aluwa by using sugar and semolina. You can watch those videos by clicking the above link. Kiri Aluwa recipe is a very easy one. We need only these ingredients for the recipe. Before start making Aluwa, we need to prepare the board that we put Aluwa mixture. For that, in a flat surface, dust some roasted rice flour and keep it aside. We don't have time to do this after making Aluwa. After that, dissolve sugar in coconut milk under medium heat. For this work, it's always better to get a big pan. When heating, coconut milk comes up very quickly. If your pan is a small one, it will spill everywhere. Also keep in mind to stir this continuously under medium heat. Then add ground cardamom and salt into this. When this syrup comes to the correct level, turn off the flame and add chopped cashew. We don't need to wait until syrup pours down like a thick line. If so, your Aluwa will get hardened soon. Gradually add flour into this syrup and mix thoroughly. If you like, you can reserve around half cup from the syrup before adding flour. In any case, if you add too much flour, we can use this reserved syrup and mix again. When flour becomes a soft dough, spread this on the prepared tray. Don't make it a hard dough by adding too much flour. Now we need to level the dough by spreading rice flour on top. You can now cut this into desired shapes. One thing to keep in mind, you need to follow above steps very quickly since this mixture gets hardened soon. Before storing, apply little bit of rice flour in the bottom and sides of Aluwa pieces. Then it won't get stick to each other. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till we meet again with another Avurudu recipe, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.